All right, how you doing? So got this lamb on the go today. We're going to do a leg of lamb with a bone in. This is absolutely cooked to perfection. Doesn't take that long. The preparation is very easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Way. Okay, so I've got a leg of lamb here. The bone is in. It's beautiful. It's a Sunday, even though this might not be posted on a Sunday. Sunday roast. Let's get on with this one. Okay, so that just about fits in my roasting tin. What we're going to do very simply is we're going to get some black pepper on this and salt, and we're not going to be shy about the amount we put on. Just turn it over and do the same here. We're going to just put that salt, black pepper, olive oil, little massage. So this is the basic seasoning, and we're going to add some fresh thyme in that a bit later, but not now. Now, like I say, this is a 2 kg leg in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a fantastic little link to a BBC roasting calculator, because you haven't got a same size as me, it will calculate it exactly for you. It's really, really good. And it doesn't just do lamb, it does all meats. So yeah, check that link out. So I've got some fresh thyme here, and I'm going to just pop it right underneath at the bottom. I mean, it'll burn to pieces, but it will give some flavour off. Garlic, chopped garlic, I'm just going to get that on and around. And then a little bit of sliced onion. Again, these are going to really burn up, but they will work nicely for our gravy when we make that later. A little bit more olive oil there, so we get some in the pan as well. And that's going to go in my oven. So like I say, please do look at this calculator link, because it really is great. But okay, 2 kg. So I'm going to go in the oven for 20 minutes on quite a high heat to brown it, about sort of 220C, which is 200C fan, or gas mark 7. And then it's going to cook. I'm going to lower the heat down to 180C, 160C fan, or gas mark 4 for 1 hour, 20 minutes. But yeah, like I say, please do check out that link. It's handy as hell. See you in a bit. Okay, so that's out. Gonna let that rest just for a little bit, then I'm gonna carve it. Okay, so that is juicy and perfectly cooked all the way right down to the bone. Super, super delicious that is. I mean, just succulent and lovely. Let's have a look. Amazing. Just perfect, that is perfect. Okay, and there you go. Just going to serve that with some peas and some roast potatoes with some whole garlic and some carrots in there. Fabulous. Going to make a gravy for that. I'll show you that another time, but today we're concentrating on the lamb. Beautiful, beautiful. Please do use that little calculator. Like I said, it's very handy, that is. It'll help you out a great deal, not just with lamb, but with other cuts of meats and stuff like that that you're roasting. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.